They say the taxes are not being used in the right manner, in the right direction. And you're from the BMC, so why not ask the right guy?
कुछ नहीं बोल सकता भाई मैं सॉरी.
Do you guys know the full form of tax?
I have no clue.
Holy shit. No, I don't. And this is really embarrassing.
I'm a no.
You know what's even more embarrassing? That there isn't any full form of tax. So what is tax?
We are zero at tax. I think commerce students would know more about that.
Your form of giving back to the government for the services that they're providing for you.
Paying taxes is taxing?
No, I'm just saying.
It is very taxing. It takes a lot of time. Cross-check everything.
Are you a taxpayer?
Yeah, I am a taxpayer. Not yet.
टैक्स नहीं भरा अभी तक. क्यों? अभी वो इनकम होगा तब उतना भरेंगे ना.
No, I'm not. I'm just of 18.
Not really. Parents have been doing it.
My accountant does it, so I don't know.
So our income, right? Why do we pay tax to the government?
They can like do stuff like this.
Like what?
Big broken pavements. I don't know. They're supposed to repair it.
Food, anything.
Infrastructure. So that they can like fix roads.
Army, CRPF, ESF, BSF, Police, Navy, Air Force.
It's supposed to use it for roads and all those general things. That's like a boomerang which has to come back to for the welfare of the people. But yeah.
So it's a dysfunctional boomerang.
Yeah.
If you want to eat something, eat a little bit, but then do something with the rest of it.
So where does it go then if it's not for the good use? Nation wants to know, where does that money go?
पैसे से गवर्नमेंट खेलती है.
Government खेलती है और public झेलती है.
In the politician's pocket. Nowhere else.
जमीन खरीदते हैं, कार्स खरीदते हैं, आइलैंड्स खरीदते हैं. For what we know, they must have bought some stars also.
जो वो टैक्स अच्छे से यूज नहीं करते उनको इसके पीछे डाल देना चाहिए.
डालना चाहिए मुझे. राइट ना. हाँ बस भाई भाई.
मैक्स की मैक्सी होती है, सैक्स की सेक्सी होती है. तो टैक्स भरने के लिए क्या टैक्सी होती है?
क्या बोल रहे अपने समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ना.
Which are the things that you would like to declare tax free?
Food. A lot of people go hungry. The children running around.
Booze tax free won't be alcohol.
There's water tax which shouldn't be there. I'm going for makeup.
Entertainment.
What is the tax situation of the country?
4% of the population is paying that full loyal taxes.
We went to eat food. Bill was around 3,000 rupees. So you have to pay tax of 1,000 rupees on that. Then VAT is there. The service charge, they have a VAT on beverage is different.
Suddenly, they've come out with every kind of tax.
So common man, if you want to go eat with the family, you cannot enjoy.
70 to 80% people which are from middle and poor class, they have very problematic issue regarding these taxes.
I think there should be more transparency in how taxes are charged.
If my money goes into making this road, I need to know that. It's like very difficult given the population of India, but some process like that would help.
So let's do a tax test. What is VAT?
Value added service.
तो VAS होता है.
Value added tax.
I don't know.
At least, do you know what is VAT 69?
I know what is 69, but
How much is TDS?
What's TDS?
STD? कितना परसेंट है सर्विस टैक्स?
12.5. I guess.
14. What were you here for?
just came to pick up a watch which I had given for repairing.
कितना टैक्स लगा उस पे?
I didn't really see how much tax was it.
That's why we are doing this clip to raise awareness.
Because we don't pay enough attention.
Income tax, wealth tax, water tax, road tax, value added tax, sales tax, service tax, entertainment tax. वो कभी नहीं लेके गए. So keep on watching Being Indian videos. And to know more about tax, you need to log on to this website. On the other hand, I would prefer Saks. This one. Like this video, share this video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Being Indian, man. Who else?
What else? Comment down below with your taxable and non-taxable observations. And to know more about all our updates and where we are going, follow our Twitter handle, Being In. If the question is Sahil Khattar on Twitter and Instagram? The answer is yes, by the same username. And all you need to do is tax and relax in. All the girls go for waxing. क्या मजा आता है गरबा खेलने में?
सनबर्न में क्या मजा आता है? क्या मजा आता है?
When you go round, you get a high. It is high without weed.
एक बार लालू की नकल करके बताना. मैं बताऊं, देख. आ बुढ़बा, जब तक रहेगा समस्या में आलू, तब तक रहेगा बिहार में लालू.